Sounds like coyotes. Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. Recently, a company called Auxito has reached out to me and asked me to test out their LED headlights. I sent them over the make and model of that Mustang. They sent me this, which is a set of LED headlights. I want to put them to the test. I want to see how much brighter they are. But first, I want to show you what the current lights are. And to do that, I'm going to drive it out into the road. It's kind of dark out now. It's also right before the 4th of July, so you might see some fireworks, hopefully. We'll see what the current headlights look like, and then we'll install the Auxito brand, and we'll check these out. So big thanks to Auxito. The headlights were sent to me free of charge in exchange just for my honest and transparent review. Alright, so you can kind of see that these stock headlights are a little dark. But we're going to go into the truck over there, and we're going to see what they look like from there. You might see some haziness. We are still kind of affected by the Canadian wildfires. You can see it behind me. So that's what the Mustang looks like from oncoming traffic. And with my headlights on, yeah. You can actually see a lot of the haze from the wildfires. Pretty interesting. This is a little bit difficult to tell because the road does go up on like an incline, but just so that you have a full understanding, I'm gonna hit the brights as well, and we'll do the same test with the new headlights. All right, so let's do a quick unboxing here. These are the 2022 upgraded version, 9007/HB5. Okay, comes with gloves, and here we go. You'll notice that it has this notch here, and the notch is supposed to face on the left so that it doesn't blind oncoming drivers. Very cool, looks good. There is I believe there's a little fan inside of here. Cool, so let's install this and see how it looks. To ensure that I have this aimed correctly afterwards, here's what I'm going to do. Alright, so that's where I'm going to be targeting. These are aftermarket headlights that I bought off Amazon, but you'll see that this is where the headlight goes. So I'm just going to have to kind of reach in there, unplug that, pop out the old one, put in the new one, and it should be golden. I apologize, you're probably not going to be able to see much of anything. If you ever want to reuse these headlamps, make sure you don't get your finger grease on them. Okay. So here is the old. There's the old HB5 9007. I put on my special Auxito gloves. This goes in this way, like that. So So this is gonna go like that. Alright. That's good and secure. Put the wiring harness back up. Put the headlight back in. I'm gonna take these gloves off because they're a little slick. That's installed. You back in. Go. One and two. All right, that side's done. All right, so there's the old house. That goes right in. Okay, that's clamped in well. Let's plug that back in. All right, again, gotta take these off, they're a little too slick. There we go. One and two. Let's turn this on and see where we are on our mark. Wow, that's much brighter. Okay. And they're really well aimed too. Perfect. Cool. So I'm gonna pull this out into the road and we'll take a look and see what it looks like. All right, let's do this again. Oh wow, it is much brighter. All right, so here's that same shot from before. I have a big hill in front of my house, so this is kind of just like looking at the hill, but you can actually see big difference. One thing I will notice is that the color of the light is much crisper and cleaner. All right, so I'm parked in the same spot as I was before, and we'll go check it out in the truck. I mean, you could just tell walking this way. Same shot as before, much brighter. So I'll be honest, I actually do see the driver's side headlight is actually not blinding me. I'm actually surprised about that, to be honest. Cool, so I'm gonna drive forward, and then what I'll do is I'll come around so you can see what it looks like when that car's behind you. Good example of the light pools difference between the two. Now granted, yes, I am in an F-150, so I also have the auto darkening rear view. It doesn't seem that bright because this is an auto darkening, but it's actually not too bad. Surprisingly so, it's not blinding me. And I have that problem where the lights blind me a lot at night. Cool, so I'm actually not offended by this at all. So let's go inside and I'll give my final thoughts. To be honest, I wouldn't mind if they were up a little higher. Here are my quick thoughts about them. Number one, the color is, I mean, you saw it. It is so much brighter. It's a really nice, it's a nice bright, what do they call it on here? 6,000 Kelvin temperature for the light. Personally, I think it looks great. I do have my headlights aimed a little bit too low at the moment. I'm not exactly sure offhand the proper technique for aiming them. So I'm gonna look that up myself, and maybe after I do that, I'll take it for a ride at night to show what like a night ride looks like. But they are aimed exactly where my old ones were. So I think I just never really aimed them when I was doing when I had actually replaced the headlights themselves. Yeah, so yeah, I'm impressed. You can actually hear the little fan going inside of them. I thought that was really cool. I would definitely recommend checking them out. The price isn't that bad. Again, I got these for free. Check my referral link in the description to save $10 off your first order. And check out Auxito.com. They have a whole bunch of other things besides just headlights. I am seriously considering buying a set for my F-150. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Going into this, I was concerned about being too bright. A lot of these LED lights, they're misaimed or they're just super bright and they're very blinding. I find that these to be like my personal ideal brightness. Check it out. The box says it has 50,000 hours. Also, if there's any other tests you wanted me to run on them, let me know in the comments and I'll check it out, see what I can do. So once again, huge thanks to Auxito, the sponsor of this video. Check out the description for all the links. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.